Ah. Come here, Bubba. Eat some before you go out. Here. You could... You gotta get it from the hand, Bubba. Come here, Kandor. You gotta eat from the hand. Eat from the hand. There you go. Good boy. I know you prefer the bowl instead of the hand. Just wait until you get older. I'll tell you stories about your mom. She used to be a pain when it came to eating. For aggressiveness. No? You see, you prefer the bowl. Pushes my hand. No growls or whatever. That's awesome. But of course, I've been feeding him since he was, what, 3 weeks? When they had baby teeth. They're making their mom bleed. Just take note of their eyes, his eyes. Of course, you see it dark. That's going to change. I don't know what color. He had a sister that's almost looked like she was going to be like green or yellow or something. But we'll see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take him outside to play with his parents. Clean up his little mess. Yeah, your parents have a mess out there too. I gotta clean up. Come here, Bub. Come here, Kandor. Easy, Kandor. Kandor, come. Kandor, come here. Over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Kandor. Come here. No more? Okay, we're going outside. Bye-bye. Kandor. Yeah, he has a rag. Bye-bye.